Good evening to all my awesome friends and family. Don't you see that scary full moon? We're back to shout outs, and it's October. It's the spirits are out in full. And with that moon, be careful out there. I have no idea what's out in the air. But Grandma's going to share with you today her awesome friends. We have a total of 6 of her favorite channels. Some of them I've been watching for a month or two, and some I've been watching for a year or two. But they're all awesome channels, and every one of these channels are really loyal followers. If they like your content, they'll come back and watch your videos and leave you comments. That's what we all need to grow our channels bigger and stronger. Great friends, and all 6 of these channels are great. Well, get ready. Here they come. Hope you go and check them all out. Well, I haven't done a shout out in a very long time. Thought I would share you some great channels that I really have enjoyed. This one here is one of my new favorites. We've been following each other for a month or so. She tells a bunch of cute, scary stories. Usually does about 3 on every one of her videos. None of them are that long. They don't lose your interest, and they're not terrifying, but they do give you a little bit of spooky vibe. Really enjoy her channel. Hope you go over and check her out. She's a great channel. She's so sweet, and you're going to love her stories. This is another one of my awesome followers that I know you're going to love. She does a great job on her channel, great content, always something new and different. You're going to love her. Please go over and check her out. I'm trying to share with you all of my awesome friends. I've been following her probably about 3 or 4 months, a little longer. But she's an awesome channel. Go check her out. You'll find a great friend with her. Here is one of my favorite farming channels. I've been following her about a year. I always enjoy hearing her voice, and she's always so sweet and kind. It just relaxes me to look at her property as she walks you around and talks about what she's growing, what she's doing. I hope you go check her out if you like garden videos or a little bit of the farm life. You will love her channel. She is really, really great. I've been watching her, like I said, for about a year. She has a regular job, so it's not just about farming on this channel. But she does do seed exchanges, has other farming buddies, and she's just an all-around great creator. Love hearing her. Hope you go check her out also. Well, here is another one of my friends. We haven't been following each other too long, but she's a lot of fun to watch, and she always finds something interesting to share with us. Hope you go over and check her out also. I'm trying to find people that you start following them, they're going to follow you back. You show them a little love, they're going to show you a little love back. And on top of that, they have great content. Hope you're going over and checking out these awesome creators I'm sharing with you today. Here's another one of my favorite channels. She and her husband are traveling all over the United States. They take you to wonderful places. They do great explaining where they're at, what they're doing, and sharing what they're doing. I always love watching them. I've been following their channel about a year. They're great friends too. Please go over and check out this channel if you're interested in videos about traveling. They do an awesome good job to let you know where you can go and have a great time on a budget. I know you're going to enjoy this channel. I've been following them, I think, at least a good year or more. And they always come back and check out what I'm doing too. I don't know sometimes if they love what I do, but they never complain, and they always leave me great comments. But I can tell you, I love their content. Please, if you like to travel without leaving your home in these trying times, this is the channel to go check out. They're awesome. I've been watching this mother and daughter team for about a year. I love them. Now, they are a makeup channel, but I'm telling you, if you want to watch something that's very entertaining, this is the one you should be watching. Sure, it's all about makeup, and Grandma's not really a makeup person, but I hardly ever miss any of their videos because they're so much fun to watch. I hope you go over and check out them. Oh my gosh, a great mother and daughter team. And boy, they know their makeup also, and give you a smile on your face and a little giggle in your throat. Please go check them out. Love them so. Hope you enjoy. Let me know how you enjoyed all of my awesome friends that I shared with you today. You know, Grandma loves sharing her wonderful friends with you, and these are such great creators. And they do know how to do a great makeup video. And you won't get bored watching it either, I can promise you. They're so much fun to watch.